Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we will be going over ways to make 6 and 7. Before we get into the lesson, let's remember that add means to put parts together to make a whole. Remember, I take part and part, put them together, make a whole. Now, for this lesson, we are going to focus on finding two parts that make 6 and two parts that make 7. So let's go ahead and get started. So if you've seen some of our last videos, you know about the T-chart. So the T-chart is used to find what two parts can I add to get the sum. Here, my sum is 6. I want to know what plus what is 6. I've already listed some parts here. I have 0 through 6. I'm going to find out 0 plus what equals 6. 1 plus what equals 6, and so on. I didn't go down any further than 6 because I don't want a part that is bigger than 6. Remember, if I have part plus part, those parts together are going to make a sum that is bigger than them, okay? I cannot have part plus part and add them to get something smaller. It's always going to be something bigger when I add. So let's go ahead and find the other parts that will give us the sum of 6, okay? 0 plus what equals 6? Let's hold a fist and say 0 and count up until we say 6. Then we will count how many fingers it took to jump up. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That took 6 fingers, right? So 0 plus 6 is 6. I'm going to go ahead and write that in my addition number sentence. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Let's go ahead and try the next one. 1 plus what equals 6? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. So I will write my 5 on the other side of my T-chart and over here as well. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so now time for another secret. Do you remember when we were finding ways to make 4 and 5? We said that when you have something down here that I can flip and get something I already have up here, then we're done, right? For example, let's say I did 4 plus what equals 6. I would say 4, 5, 6, right? 2. Well, I already have that up here. 4 and 2, I can flip them, 2 and 4. It's the same thing, so I know I'm done. But you also know you're done if you have the same number on both sides, okay? As you can see here, I have 3 and 3, so I am done, okay? If it's the same number plus the same number equals that sum, then you're done. Okay, let's go ahead and try a word problem. This word problem says, Luke has 4 markers. Jake has 2 markers. How many markers do they have altogether? Let's go ahead and start by circling what we already know. I know that Luke has how many markers? 4. Very good. Okay. Jake has how many markers? 2. Awesome. Now I want to know how many markers do they have altogether. Okay, we are very used to seeing the words in all in many of the word problems we've done, but we're going to start changing it up a little to learn more keywords that mean add, okay? Here we see all together. If I say all together, I think about bringing everything together and counting it all up, okay? So all together means we have to add. Okay, so I will write my two parts, 4 and 2. 4 and 2. We've already said we have to add them. 4 plus 2 equals, let's go ahead and count up. 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 fingers is 6. Awesome. Okay, so this problem says, Mike scored 3 points in the game. Larry scored 3 points. How many total points did they score? So what do I already know? I know that Mike scored how many points? 3. So let's circle 3 points. Larry scored how many? 3. So I have 3 and 3, and I want to know how many total points did they score? So for this problem, I'm not seeing the words in all or all together. Can you find the word here that helps us know we have to add? If you said total, you are correct. Total lets us know that we need to add. When I hear total, I know that I have to take everything and bring it together, okay? So let's go ahead and write our two parts, 3 and 3. We know that total means to add. 3 plus 3 equals 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Very nice. Okay, so now we are going to find the parts that give me the sum of 7, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. 0 plus what equals 7? Let's hold a fist and say 0 and count up until we say 7. Then we will see how many fingers it took to jump up to 7. Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. So I will write it over here. 0 plus 7 equals 7. And always remember that a number plus 0 equals that number, okay? Or 0 plus a number equals that number. Let's try 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Notice I'm saying is 7 instead of equals 7. So remember, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Equals is the same as. So saying is the same thing. 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Wait a minute. Aren't these and these the same thing, only flipped? Let's check. Okay, those match. And those match. So, because I already wrote something that I can flip and get something I already have up here, I know I am done. Let's look at a word problem. Liz caught 4 butterflies. Just caught 3 butterflies. How many butterflies did they catch in all? So let's start by circling what we already know. I know that Liz caught how many butterflies? 4. Good. 4 butterflies. many butterflies? 3. Good. 3 butterflies. I want to know how many butterflies did they catch in all, okay? In all means to add. Good. So I have 4 and 3. Those are my 2 parts. 4 and 3. And I know that I have to add them. 4 plus 3 equals, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. This word problem says, Ricky has 2 pets. Lucy has 5 pets. How many pets do they have altogether? Let's start by circling what we already know. I know that Ricky has how many pets? 2. 2 pets. Lucy has how many pets? 5. Good. 5 pets. I want to know how many pets do they have altogether? And we have learned that altogether means to do what? Add. Very good. So I have my 2 parts, 2 and 5, and I'm going to write them down in my number sentence. I know that I have to add, so now this is an addition number sentence. 2 plus 5 equals, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Very good. Okay guys, so that wraps up our lesson for today on ways to make 6 and 7. I really hope that these videos are helping you and turning you into a math whiz. Please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!